Okay guys, so we got a forecast for a big snowstorm coming in, upwards of 30 centimeters when it's all done, which is a foot. So I'm doing some preparations here. First thing I do is I move the trucks around. I put the 4x4 in the front, because when the snowplow comes by it leaves a big windrow, and at least a heavy Chevy we could drive through it and make room to get the vehicles out. I cleared all my scrap out of the way here, most of it, opened up a way. Put it there. Those are my horseshoes. Steel ones in one bin, dirty aluminum in another. My brother being a blacksmith, I get lots of used horseshoes for scrap. Okay, I said blacksmith, but he's a farrier. He shoes horses. We know there's a difference between that and a blacksmith. I just gassed up the snow blower. I don't have to worry about pre-starting it and making sure it runs. It's brand new, it runs every time. What I'll have to do when the snow starts, probably before I go to bed, I'll come up to the garage and I'll clear the snow off the roof here, and then do it again when I get up in the morning. So that's part one of the snow preparation. What I'll do is I'll come out in the morning and I'll film how much snow we get and shit like that. So that's part one. We'll do part two soon. Okay guys, I quickly want to show you this. I'm just getting started this morning. I already knocked the snow off this half of the roof. Now I'm starting on that side. You can see how much that sags. Let's see. There you go. You can see how much that sags the roof. So you really, if you're using one of these tent garages, you really got to look after it. Alright, let me finish this up and then we'll go outside and I'll show you what outside is like. Holy shit guys, that was a lot of work just clearing the snow off the roof. I haven't even fired up the snowblower yet. Hear that, a little bit more snow rush off. I got all the vehicles fired up. The heavy Chevy, we just went for a little joyride. Four-wheel drive, man. The windrows from the snow plows are about more than two. They're 3 or 4 feet high, and I'll show you so you know I'm not fucking around with the amount of snow we got. And that heavy Chevy and 4x4 just drove through them like they weren't even there. Anyways, there's how much snow I knocked off the roof. You can see it climbing up the walls there. It's fucking heavy. I wouldn't begin to guess how much weight was on that roof. But like I said, if you have one of these garages, you really got to look after it. Anyways, we'll be back. Okay guys, we'll work our way out. Like I said, I haven't plowed anything out here yet.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just get your snowblower started and I'll do it for you.
I'll be alright.
No, buddy, you don't want it. I can help you out. Greg, you've been around here helping me often.
That's Tom, my neighbor. He's a great guy. Okay guys, a lot of snow. I don't know how well you can see it. Neighbor Tom come and stole my snowblower, and he just drove it off the curb, but he'll be alright. Lots and lots of snow. You can see the wind star, she's logged in. I didn't get that one moved before the snow plows come. So, a lot of work here today, guys, a lot of work. I'll be out here all day practically, I guess. Chico thought he wanted to come outside, now he's out running. He's had enough. Usually he'll stay out here and just run back and forth, but not in the snow. Get in there, asshole. We're getting there. And here comes the snow shooting right at me. Thanks, Tom. This is gonna suck. That's one thing, we got good neighbors here. had to go and get changed. All my other jacket and shit was wet from the snow, so I put my hunting coat on. This one's nice and warm and it's waterproof anyway, so. Getting there, guys. Just trying to break the van open now. I wish I would have got it open sooner before the snow plows come through. Tom's being a good neighbor over here helping me, and another good neighbor's over there doing Tom's. Now I really feel like shit. I don't know. Now I really feel bad. I said, now I really feel bad.
I don't know who he is. Oh well.
That's what kind of good people there are in this neighborhood. We don't even know who that guy is. He's just going around doing people's sidewalks. There's the snow I just drove the van out of. They're out doing the main streets right now. I'm lucky enough we live on a main street here. The side streets won't get done till maybe tomorrow or the next day. But we've done all the cleanup we're going to do until later. Snow's still coming down. And I've already had to redo the shed a couple times. And look at that, I'm getting locked in again. Oh, shit. Oh, well. We can clean that up later. But yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. Like I said, I've already had to knock the snow off the garage twice. The first time this morning, she was pretty fucking heavy. I think I got to it just on time. And then when we finished the snow blowing out here, I went in again and the roof was still covered pretty good. So I cleaned it out again. And I'll probably go out in another hour or so and do it again because I don't need, that garage is a piece of shit, but I don't need it to collapse right now. So HPR Auto, he knows what I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, I don't think I'm going to film anymore on this video anyways. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.